Hi everybody, and welcome to the 2025 MBA Essay Workshop, GMAT Club's premier virtual event focused entirely on what makes a great MBA essay. On August 12th, you'll hear directly from top admissions consultants and essay experts as they break down what schools like Harvard, Stanford, Wharton, INSEAD, LBS, and many others are really looking for in your essays. If you're applying in round one, this event will help you cut through the noise and build essays that are clear, compelling, and impossible to ignore. We'll cover everything from how to decode what each school is really asking, what makes a story memorable and what doesn't, and how to structure your goals, background, and experiences in a way that actually stands out. You'll get real feedback on real essays starting with our first session on August 12th at 6 a.m. Pacific or 9 a.m. Eastern, where Fortuna Admissions breaks down the Chicago booth essay. Then, get ready for a full day of essay-focused sessions with top schools and consultants. Here's the official lineup. Pause the video to get a chance to see it all. To make the most of it, head over to the Schedule tab on the event platform. It's already set to your local time. All sessions are live, so be sure to join in and get your questions answered in real time. If this is your first GMAT Club event, here's how it works. Use the Q&A tab during each Zoom session to post your questions. If you're feeling shy, just upvote others' questions. Many speakers will be addressing questions live, so engage when you can. And if you're wondering what makes this event so unique, here's what sets it apart. GMAT Club brings together more applicants, more top schools, and more resources than any other virtual MBA event. And on August 12th, you'll get the chance to learn essay strategies for M7, Top 15, and international MBA programs all in one place. You'll also get access to a bundle of exclusive free resources just for registering and attending on August 12th. 5 real essays from successful admins to Booth, Kellogg, Yale, Tuck, and Ross, all who got scholarships, hundreds of real MBA resumes, a GMAT math book PDF, and 1 week of GMAT Club quizzes if you registered by August 7th. Plus, you'll be entering to win prizes like a one-on-one essay review with our founder BB and quick editing sessions with our expert team. Everything you need, resources, downloads, and prize info can be found in the email that you got during registration. Thank you guys so much for joining the 2025 MBA Essay Workshop. We're so excited to help you craft your strongest, most authentic essays yet, and we hope you make the most out of every session. See you guys there. Bye.